Alright everyone, welcome to my recording for the comprehensive project for accounting 2120. And my name is Spencer Brand. I'm a junior at Utah Valley University. And let's get started with these questions for Traeger and Purple. So start off for question 5 for Traeger. Property, plant, and equipment decreased from 42,591 in 2023 to 36,949 in 2024 as shown on let's just go over shown on page 89. Let's get to 89 here. We were just around there. This decrease is due to depreciation using the straight line method, which is explained in the notes as well. I believe that's on F9. So it'll be down around here. Cool. Then moving on to question 12, I believe. Let's just make sure on question 12, that's for Purple. Yep. Okay, so for question 12, so Traeger values inventory at the lower of cost or net realizable value and uses the first in, first out method, aka FIFO, as stated on, I believe it is page 89 again. So it's going to be similar to our last one as well. So it's going to be on this page right here. That's going to be FIFO again. And then for the next question, I believe it's question 17. Yep, right here. So we're going to page 91. It's going to be right here. And so inventory costs for this one, inventory costs of raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. The total inventory for 2024 is 107,367, as shown on page 91, like we were saying. And the breakdown is described in the notes on page, I believe it's in F9. So it's going to be, the breakdown is going to be here as well. And then are we doing question 20, I believe? I believe it is. Yep, question 20 as well. And then so for this one, Traeger's total debt comes from its first lien term loan. As of 2024, the balance is $403,575, and this again is on page 104 of the PDF for Traeger. It's gonna be down a bit from here. Let's see. It's gonna be right here. Okay, right here on this page. And then it has an interest rate of about 7.9% and maturity in 2028. So that's all can be found on this page. Then we're going to go to Purple as well. Right here, we're going to do Purple. And I believe we start with question 5 for this one, 5, 9, 6, 16, and 18. And then, let's see, we're on page, okay, there we go. And so for question 5, property and equipment decreased from 128,661 in 2023 to 93,874 in 2024. And then this is shown on page 58, I believe. Let's see, we're going down. It's going to be talked about on this page. This is mainly due to increased depreciation and restructuring from closing manufacturing facilities. So it's all that can be found on this page right here. And then we're going to go jump to question 9 right here. That's going to be on page 61 for this one. So for question 9, even though Purple had a net loss of $98,098, it continues operating because of $98,098. I have to double check on the actual sum, like the actual amount. It continues operating because of non-cash expenses and financing, and operating cash flow improved to negative $17,850, and the company received $61,000 from a related party loan. And obviously, these are, I believe these ones are in thousands. Let's see, in 58, I believe. 61 for this one. Oh, apologize. On page 61. So here we are on this page, and this is in thousands. These numbers are all in thousands that I just read about. And then, apologize for the bad camera angle. I am in my laundry room. And then for question 16, so that's going to be on this same page as well. And so for purple recognizes revenue primarily at the shipping point, but for certain deliveries like white glove service, revenue is recognized upon delivery as stated on this page. And I believe it's on some more info about this on F14. Yeah, stated on, about the delivery with revenue being recognized when delivery happens. And then our last question, I believe it's the last question for purple. It's for 18. Okay. Let's see, page 61. It's going to be on that same page as well. And so for this one, warranty liabilities are estimated based on historical claim rates. The ending balance in 2024 is $32,205. So this is shown right here on 61. And I believe there's some more info on this on page F15. Let's see where that is. Yeah, so there's some more about the warranty liabilities right here as well. So those are going to be the answers for these comprehensive project questions as demonstrated. So yeah, thank you very much, and I appreciate you all, and have a great time, and have a good one.